to create your own music. In less than 2 minutes, you are done creating your own personal music instead of using other people's music, and it will give you copyright because a lot of content creators, they copyrighted their music. In this video, I'm going to show you how you will create your own music in less than 2 minutes. Your own personal music, it will not be copyrighted and no one will copyright it. It is you alone. Join me on the screen. Let me show you how to achieve this. You'll be using it in your videos that you want music instead of using other people's own. Join me on the screen. Let me show you how to achieve this in less than 2 minutes. Let's go, guys.
So guys, go to your Google Chrome. When you go to your Google Chrome, you search Suno AI. Suno, give space AI.com. You search. So this first one that come out, you tap it. Once you tap it, it will take you to this interface. So here, if you come here, they will ask you to sign up either with your Google account or your phone number. So the next thing you need to press is create. Once you tap create, you see custom, you on this custom. So they will tell you to enter your lyrics, that is how you want your music to be. So we'll leave this phase. The next thing you need to do is go to Google Play Store. Download this app now, Copilot. This is what you need to download. Go to your Play Store, you download the app. Okay, let me show you so that it will not be confusing to you. Just type Play Store, you search Copilot. You see it, Copilot. This one now, Microsoft Copilot. You open. So once you open, it will ask you to ask him anything. So you tap here. So how you want your song to be, you just write it. So let me write how my song wants to be now. With blessed I can sell him. Just spice the music, you understand? So you tell you narrate what you do on your page, you understand? I am a content creator. I am a content creator. Teach people about editing. Teach about editing videos, editing tutorial, yeah. Editing tutorial, form field page, blogging. That's what I do on my page. So you just spice it up a little, you understand? Blessed I can selling a write your name again. Blessed I can sell. Anyhow you want it, I'm just giving you an example, you understand? So this is how I want my own to be. That's why I'm writing it like this. So after writing it, the next thing you need to do is just to tap here, send. So your music is creating. So you see the music, it has been created. It sounds like you're passionate about content creation. Blessed Counseling must be interesting topics. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with editing tutorials or blogging, feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Then after this, the next thing is to copy. copy the music, the write-up. Then let's go back to Google Chrome. Yeah. So once we come back to Google Chrome here, hold on, it's loading. Okay. These are my songs, the ones I've created already. So you tap this custom, tap it to be on, then enter that write-up you copied. Yeah. Have you seen I've entered it? So enter style of music. How do you want it to be? Do you want it to be hip hop song, Afrobeat, any however you want it to be? Just type it there, style of music, then enter title. So let me use my name now as the title. Blessed I Can Sell Him. Yeah. So the next thing is to press create. Our song is creating. Our song is creating. Our song is creating. It's creating. Just hold on. Within some seconds now, our song will be ready. Our song will be ready. It's getting ready.
It sounds like you're passionate about content creation. Blessed Daddy Celine must be interesting topics. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with editing tutorials or blogging, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
So guys, that's how to create it. It's very easy and simple. Just try it, okay? You'll love it. Just like my song said, if you have any question to ask me, feel free to ask me. I love you all. Bye. See you all in my next video.